Hey guys, back with another video from my addictive blogging channel. So in this video, I will be going to discuss about the best games that you can install on the Amazfit GTS 4 smartwatch. And these games look absolutely amazing on the watch. And these games are so fun to play that you can pass your time by playing this game whenever you want, wherever you want from your wrist only. There are a lot of games that you can play, and these games absolutely feels amazing to play on this watch. So we will see what are the games and how you can install these games on this watch. So as always, this will be a sick video guys, and if you are a tech enthusiast, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel and hit that bell notification up because I will be making more videos like this. So first of all, the Amazfit GTS 4 is a great watch which supports now the App Store from the Zape app. And to install any app, you need to just go to the Zape app, which is there for the Amazfit watches. So once you go to the Zape app, you will be able to see there are a lot of options available, and you need to just install the apps from this. So you need to go to profile, and in the Amazfit GTS 4, you will get the App Store. Once you are in the App Store, you will see that the game section will be available, and from here you can install these games. So the first game in the list is the Soccer Goals, and this is a football game which you can install on the watch. Once you start the game, you will see you need to just score some goals from the tiny little screen of the smartwatch. So I will choose the easy, and here you just need to tap the ball at the right time to score the goal. And with time it will be a little bit harder and the goalkeeper will move a little bit faster, but you need to just score the goals to score some point. If it catches the ball, the game will be over. So it's a bit of a shooter game, and definitely this is one of the really good games you can get on the watch, and you can definitely pass some time. There are 3 levels also which you can choose from, and hard level is a little bit harder. As you can see, there will be other people also from where you got to score the goal. It's a very good game to play on, and definitely you will enjoy this game on this watch. So the next game on the list is the Big Eater Challenge, and this game is also available in the Zape app. Once you install this game, it's really fun to play the game on the watch. You just need to start the game, and here what you have to do is you need to just control this guy who will be eating the things which will be coming from the top. And to move this, you need to use the crown of the watch, which is a really good control. And with the small little screen of the watch, this is really fun to play, and you need to just catch all the things which will be falling from the top. So this is a really fun game, and as the levels will increase, it will also increase the speed of the food that will be falling, and if it falls outside, the game will be over. So this is also a really great game that you can install on the watch. Next game on the list will be a racing game, and the name of the game is Track Racing. And this is one of the classic games that we used to play in our childhood in our phones or in the gaming consoles. So here you can see the game is so fun to play. You just need to control the car and avoid the obstacles or the cars which will be coming from the other side. And again, you have to use the crown to control this car. It's a really hard game to play because the cars will be coming so fast. So you just need to control it and make sure you are not colliding with any of the cars which are coming in the way. So again, a really nice game to play on this watch, and definitely this will pass some time for into racing games and like the classic games which we used to play in our childhood. Next is another game which is known as the falling ball, and this game also really good to play on the watch, and this is similar to the games which we used to play in our old phones. So once you select the ball, you just need to control it and let it stay in the game. So there are some power-ups also which you need to take, and definitely you just need to make sure the ball is not falling out, which will help to keep the ball afloat with the bricks. And there are different balls you can choose from, and the control of each of the ball is a little bit different. So really nice game to get on this watch, and definitely I will recommend you to install and play this game on the watch. Now is the time to install some of the Jet Fighter games which will be really great to play on the watch, and this will blow your mind. The game named Starfighter I have installed on the watch. This is also one of the best games you can play. So once you open the game, you can see that there are several levels, and definitely what you have to do is make sure you are hitting the alien spaceships which are firing back. So one of the really nice games to play, and these games we used to play in our small video game consoles in our childhood, and really great to see it on the Amazfit watches. So definitely you can install this, and there are other levels which you can try for this jet fighter plane, which is a really great game to play on this Amazfit GTS 4. Next game on the list is the Cross Space, and this game is similar to the Flappy Bird game. This is a really famous game we used to play, and definitely this matches exactly as the Flappy Bird game but on the Amazfit GTS 4. So once you start the game, you will see that you need to control the spaceship by tapping on and make sure it doesn't fall and also hit any of the obstacles out there. So it's a bit of a hard game, but with practice you will be able to play it, and super fun to play this game. And definitely this is the Flappy Bird game you are getting on the Amazfit GTS 4 smartwatch. So there is another jet fighter game which you should try, and the name of the game is Star Trek, and this is similar to the game which is already available on the watch with the name of Jet Fighter. So this is the game which I have installed, and once I open the game, you will be able to see that you need to just control the spaceship and make sure it is not getting into any of the obstacles. Also, there are these damage meters, whether your jet has the fuel or whether it is getting a lot damaged, and there are other power-ups which also you can use. So definitely a fun game to play, and this game also let you choose some of the real boost settings, like you can choose the FPS, the sensitivity, and also the DOF. So this is the stereo game background. So if you are playing the game with the headphones on, you will be able to hear sound, and this is the vibration which you can control in the game also. So these are some of the best games which you can install on the Amazfit GTS 4, and most of the games are really fun to play and will blow your mind if you are playing on the small little screen of the watch. So I hope you have liked this video. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel and hit that bell notification up, because I will be making more videos like this. So thank you guys. Have a great day. Thank you.